Elementary students solve subtraction problems in many different ways, depending on their grade level. Today I will show you some of these strategies for solving 108 minus 29 for 2nd, 3rd, and 4th grade. As students progress in the grades, the subtraction progresses as well. So today we're going to focus on 2nd grade first. So 2nd grade, the big strategy is by composing the numbers using variable groupings such as hundreds, tens, and ones. Students understand that the 3 digits of the 3-digit number represents different amounts, such as the hundreds, tens, and ones. So I'm going to show you what a 2nd grade problem will look like using this strategy. So we're going to start by looking at the 100 base 10 block. We're just going to get a feel for it and know that we're working with that because we have 108, and that is our larger number. And then we're going to look at our smaller number. Okay, so we're looking at our smaller number and we're going to decompose it. Decomposing it is like a bigger word for breaking it down and making it smaller, just to make it easier for us to work with. So 29, we're going to break it down into 20 and 9. So by breaking it down to 29, as I mentioned, makes it smaller and much easier for us to work with. So we're going to start by trying to break it down. So there's 0 hundreds that we need because there's only 20 and 9. But there is 2 tens that we're going to need because 2 of the tens goes in the 20. And then there's 9 ones we're going to need. So we're going to start by taking away 29 from 108 and figuring out what our answer might be. So we're going to take away one of the columns because that's 20, and then because that's 10, and then the next column is more 10. So 10 plus 10 is 20. So we just took away 20 from the whole problem. So after we take away the 20, we're going to work on taking away 9. So we can do that by taking away more from this column, but we're not going to go all the way because it's 9 this time instead of 10. And then we are going to figure out how many blocks are left. So we're going to just use counting. So this is 10, because we know that each of these blocks is 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And now that there is 70 left right there, and then we have that one, don't forget the one down here. So then that would be 71. Now we're going to count down here. 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. So therefore, 108 minus 29 is 79, which is the remaining manipulatives left. And 79 is the difference between 108 and 29. Now we're going to move on to 3rd grade. The big idea of 3rd grade with one of the strategies is the strategy of modeling and explaining how the relationship between addition and subtraction can be applied to addition and subtraction problems. So we're doing a subtraction problem today, and we are going to use a counting on strategy as well, which can also be called like an add-on strategy, however you may interpret it. So I'm going to show you what using a number line for subtraction would look like, because number line is a very good tool to use because, as you can see, it's a very visual. So we're going to look at the number. We're going to change the color. We're going to do blue. Okay. So we're going to start with the smaller number, which is 29. We're going to put it on the left side of the number line because the left side means a lesser value of a number. And then the next one, which is the higher number, is 108, so it's going to go way at the right because it is the larger number of the two. We're just going to make arrows just to make ourselves aware that if you go down this way, the numbers are going to get less and less, and if you go this way, the numbers are going to get higher and higher. So we want to use a jumping strategy. You may be wondering, what is a jumping strategy? It is exactly how it is. So we're going to go from 29, and I'm going to add 1. 30 is easier to work with than 29. And then after you bring the number to 30, you are going to add 20 to get 50. I think that 50 is an easy number to work with because 108 is not much higher than 100. So now that there's 50 here, we're going to add 50 more. And that will bring us to 100. And by bringing the number to 100, it makes it a lot easier. So we have numbers to work with, 1, 20, 50. It's a lot easier to work with than 29 and 108. So we're going to switch from 100 to 108. We're going to add 8. That's easier to work with because it's a smaller number. So I'm going to take another color. I'm going to take green. And then we're going to add 1 plus 20 plus 20 plus 50 plus 8. And we're going to add all of those numbers together, which will give us 79, which is the difference between 108 and 29. So all of these numbers that we just jumped are the difference of 79 because it's in between 29 and 108. And by using the number line, it does make it a lot easier just because when you have numbers that are easier to work with, it makes the whole problem a lot less stressful. And typically, like even numbers like 20 and 50 and numbers with zeros are a lot easier for students to work with. The last strategy that we're going to be talking about is from 4th grade. Now this strategy might be the one that you're the most familiar with because that's one that a lot of us have learned about in school. It's the same standard algorithm for solving subtraction problems. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. So first, the student would write the equation. So 108 right here and 29. And they would write it like this, and the higher number, the larger number will be the first one, and then the lower number would be the next one. So we're going to start, and we are going to look at 8 minus 9. 8 minus 9 simply will not work, because that will mean that we will have to borrow from the tens place. See, we'll try to take 8 from the tens place. But don't you see that it's a 0? And you can't take anything from a 0. So it just won't work. So we have to move to the hundreds place and take a number from there. So 1, we're going to take 0. We're going to write 0 down here. Now we're going to make our way back to the tens place. And we're going to take away from 0. We're going to take away 10. And we're going to take away a 9 because it's a 0. My bad. And now 9 minus 2 is 7. And now over here, we're going to take away the 8 and make it 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. So we want to take away the 9 right here to make it a 90. And then we want to make that 18 and that 0, just because you can't take away 0 from 2. And this is the hundreds place as mentioned. This is the tens place. That's the hundreds place. This is the tens place, and this is the ones place. So we just want to make sure that we're really good with our place value before we attempt algorithms, because it just makes a lot more sense for us to see it that way. So the answer would be 79. See, we just want to make sure that you remember that you want to have higher numbers at the top to work with and subtract down. And if you don't, that's when borrowing and regrouping will come into play. So yeah, you basically here, because you made it into a 0, you had to borrow from over here in the tens place. so you had to change that. And then from here you borrow from the ones place. So then here. So that is the 4th grade way that students solve a subtraction problem. In this video, we learned all kinds of strategies to solve problems that are taught in 2nd, 3rd, and 4th grade. The strategies all build on one another. In 2nd grade, they use concrete models to see the subtraction being done, and they break down the numbers to help them subtract. So we broke down 108 and 29. We broke down 29 to 20 and 9 to make it easier for us to subtract, and that was the decomposing strategy that we talked about. And in 3rd grade, students use a number line and adding strategy. And in 3rd grade, students make a number line and make jumps. Then the students add the jumps together to find the difference between the two numbers. In our case, 108 and 29. In 4th grade, students are more familiar with place value, and they can use the same algorithm to solve the problem. It is very interesting to see how much the students add on to their subtraction knowledge each year, and how important place value is in the understanding of place value to their subtraction solving abilities.